The world of aviation is buzzing, and much of that energy is coming from India. The nation's skies are on the brink of a monumental transformation. Airlines are placing record-breaking orders for new aircraft, making global headlines. India is no longer just a large market, it's becoming a central player, setting new standards for air travel. Economic growth and a booming middle class are fueling unprecedented demand for both domestic and international flights. For years, international carriers dominated, routing Indian passengers through their own hubs. Now, Indian Airlines are building capacity for non-stop flights from cities like Delhi and Mumbai to destinations worldwide. Hundreds of new aircraft, including large, long-haul jets, are on order. Air India, under Tata Group, is leading this charge, rebuilding its identity to compete with the world's best. The ambition is clear: create a world-class carrier and reshape the future of flying. At the heart of this conversation is the iconic Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger plane. While foreign airlines like Emirates fly the A380 into India, no Indian carrier has operated it yet. As India's aviation market expands, the question returns: could the A380 finally find a home with an Indian airline? This adds drama and intrigue to India's ambitious plans. The world is watching as India aims to redefine global aviation. The stage is set for a new era in Indian air travel. Under Tata Group, Air India is undergoing one of the most aggressive fleet expansions in history. In 2023, it placed a historic order for 470 jets from Airbus and Boeing, signaling a bold comeback. The mix includes narrow bodies for domestic routes and wide bodies for long-haul international flights. Another 100 Airbus aircraft were ordered in 2024, with more wide bodies reportedly on the way. The focus is on advanced jets like the Boeing 777X and Airbus A350. These new planes will enable more non-stop routes to North America and Europe, bypassing traditional layovers. Wide-body jets with their larger capacity and fuel range are key to unlocking India's long-haul potential. This expansion will create thousands of jobs and intensify competition, likely lowering fares. Passengers can expect modern cabins, better entertainment, and Wi-Fi as standard. Air India isn't just buying planes, it's investing in a new level of comfort and service. The goal: win back the trust and loyalty of travelers worldwide. Air India's transformation is setting a new benchmark for Indian aviation. Airbus A380 is an icon, instantly recognizable, with 2 full-length decks and capacity for over 500 passengers. Its design aimed to solve airport congestion by moving more people per flight, making it ideal for the world's busiest routes. On board, some airlines offer lounges and even showers, creating a unique flying experience. However, its massive size is both its strength and its challenge. The A380 is expensive to operate and requires consistently high passenger loads to be profitable. Only a few airlines could make the economics work, leading Airbus to end production in 2021. The A380's story is a turning point in aviation. Should airlines focus on mega hubs or flexible, efficient jets? Newer planes like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350 allow direct connections between smaller cities, bypassing big hubs. The A380 remains a marvel from a different era, its future uncertain in a changing industry. India's fascination with the A380 began in the mid-2000s, when Kingfisher Airlines ordered the Super Jumbo for ultra-luxurious routes. Financial troubles grounded Kingfisher before the dream could take flight, and the order was cancelled. No other Indian airline has since dared to order the A380, shifting focus to more sustainable growth. Indian airports are A380 ready, but only foreign carriers like Emirates and Singapore Airlines operate the jet to India. Today, Air India's strategy favors next-generation, fuel-efficient jets over the 4-engine A380. The idea of an Indian A380 remains a symbol of unfulfilled ambition, replaced by a more pragmatic approach. India's A380 story is one of dreams deferred, as the market moves toward flexibility and efficiency. Understand the A380's potential in India. Look at how global airlines use it. Emirates built its entire network around the A380, connecting the world through Dubai with over 120 Super Jumbos. Lufthansa and Etihad, in contrast, use the A380 tactically, deploying it only on high-demand routes like Munich to New York or Abu Dhabi to London. These airlines revived their A380s when demand surged, but only for select flagship routes. The lesson: the A380 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Its success depends on network strategy and passenger volume. Emirates uses it as a backbone, others use it as a niche asset. For India, the question is whether there's enough demand to justify a hub-and-spoke model, or if the A380 should be reserved for a few key routes. The strategies of global giants offer a roadmap and a warning about the risks and rewards. India must choose its own path wisely. Operating the A380 is a high-stakes gamble. Its 4 engines make it costly to run, and profitability depends on filling nearly every seat, every flight. The A380 works only on the world's busiest routes, fly at half empty, and losses mount quickly. Modern twin-engine jets like the Boeing 787 are more flexible, able to serve a wider range of routes profitably. The A380's size also limits it to airports with special infrastructure, restricting network flexibility. Even major Indian hubs are A380 ready, but secondary cities often aren't. History is filled with cautionary tales of airlines overreaching with the A380, only to cancel orders or retire fleets early. The economics are unforgiving. Deep pockets and a rock-solid business plan are essential. For most airlines, the A380 is a specialist tool, not a fleet cornerstone. India's airlines must weigh these risks carefully before committing. The Super Jumbo's grandeur comes with a heavy price. India's airlines are choosing a smarter path, investing in new, efficient twin-engine widebodies like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 777X. These jets use lightweight materials and advanced engines, burning less fuel and cutting costs. Lower fuel burn means lower fares and better profit margins, while also reducing environmental impact. Modern widebodies offer flexibility. They can fly long distances and serve a variety of routes, not just mega hubs. This enables direct flights from Indian cities to global destinations, bypassing congested hubs. The point-to-point model opens up new markets and more convenient options for travelers. India's strategy is to build a resilient, adaptable network, connecting secondary cities directly to the world. Direct flights from places like Ahmedabad to New York are now possible. Instead of funneling everyone through one hub, India is creating multiple international gateways. This approach is more flexible, sustainable, and powerful for the future. For years, Indian travelers connected through foreign hubs like Dubai or Singapore. Now, with new wide-body fleets, Indian airlines are building their own global hub system. The vision turns airports like Delhi and Mumbai into crossroads for international travel. Soon, passengers from Sydney to London could connect through Mumbai or Southeast Asia to Europe via Delhi. The government is investing in airport upgrades and streamlined processes to make connections seamless. Efficient hubs require smooth transfers and world-class infrastructure. This transformation will boost the economy, create jobs, and elevate India's global influence. The sight of Air India jets alongside global carriers at Indian airports will symbolize this new reality. India is no longer content to be a bystander. It's becoming a central player in world aviation. The future is about flying the world through India. All these changes mean real benefits for passengers. More direct, non-stop flights will save travelers hours and make global journeys easier. Increased competition will likely lower fares and improve service. Passengers will enjoy modern cabins, better entertainment, and reliable Wi-Fi. Air India's investment in new aircraft is raising the bar for comfort and service. India stands at the threshold of a golden age for air travel. The A380 may not be the chosen vehicle, but next-generation wide-bodies are driving a smarter, more sustainable future. For Indian travelers, the sky is no longer the limit. It's the beginning of a new chapter. Indian aviation is ready to soar.